Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you for the friend DIY flower painting for family. My lockdown, my activity is awesome.
Let's go. Okay. Open. Okay, let's start from here. Let's introduce. What color is this?
Red.
Chinese?
Purple.
Japanese?
Aqua.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Chinese?
丸子.
Japanese?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Blue.
Chinese? Japanese?
Ow.
What color is this?
Green.
Chinese? Japanese? What color is this? Chinese? What color is this? Chinese? Japanese? What is this? Okay, what color do you want the pot? What color?
Put it down. Put down.
What color would you like for your flower?
To make orange color, you mix
Mix.
red and yellow.
Okay, let's mix.
My photo frame is done. I'm gonna put a picture.
Right. First one, you and me and Papa. Me and Papa.
Me and Papa. Finally finished.
Who is this?
Papa.
And
Reina.
who is this?
Mama.
And
Reina.
who is this?
Reina.
Hey.
I really enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and let's go.
See you.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.